Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you the greenest part of Nigeria, which is just Plateau State, and we are going to show you some awesome drone shots and some drive shots also. So I'm here with Mr. Neyman, which is a friend of mine, and he's going to show me around. So Neyman, what do you think about the green part of Nigeria?
Wow, the green part of Nigeria is one of the beautiful and colorful environment we have, and it actually signifies the color of Nigeria. That's why the green, white, green is our color. Green is the best for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
But basically, do you think like Plateau State itself is really pushing that aspect of tourism that has to do with the green part? Because today when I was driving to meet you, I saw that I covered the zoo there, and compared to what is in Calabar, the Ubudu, see that just is not really that developed.
Yeah, it happens that most of people in Plateau don't really know the advantage of
actually true.
Trees and other things. Now most of them just bring down trees to cook their food because of gas is expensive now and other things, and fuel and kerosene is increasing, so they just bring down trees not knowing the value is adding to the ecosystem, to the environment. Actually, so we need more people to enlighten us about how good trees are, how is being needed in the society and environment.
Like this environment that we are now, we're going to show you, but let's not waste more sort of the time. And if you are new on this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Are you on Instagram?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram.
Yeah, I'll drop his Instagram handle.